Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to fix PowerShell has stopped working or not opening in Windows 10 or 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Click start button. Click search bar then type CMD. Open CMD run as administrator. Type this command. Click enter. Paste the command here. This command will be given in the video description box. Click enter. Click close. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.